guys, long time no see. Haven't done a lot of recording purely because life's just been too busy. But I've been tagged in the tape measure challenge, so here's the dimensions of my pump. Okay, now that is level with the pump here, and as you can clearly see, 8.9, 8'9", sorry, 8.9. There you go. That's level with the pond wall, 8'9" length. Right. I've had to rest it on the skimmer, and the bloody air curtain's just come on because the feeder's going on. But sorry, it's upside down, but I don't care. That is 6'2½". I'm going to call it 6'2". And can you see that? Oh, sorry. Get out. Bloody feeder's just gone on. Come on, focus. You know, 54 inches. Alright? And it's got a 2-inch drop from all sides to the bottom drain.